I'm here with my uncle, man. It's just nothing is planned, nothing is said, and all that. It's just a normal life thing. We are here just to have fun and talk to your people.
Fun. It's here to educate and entertain and to elaborate on hard facts. Good evening, yeah. Even more than. My table there.
I don't want to use a mic. Nah.
But you need it clear and clean.
Yeah, but
what is happening? So, even more than.
Yeah, even more.
Ask them if they hear it.
They hear it. I'm trying to see my chat.
The skinny, aka.
That's Manenga Magabeli.
Aka anything. Skinny.
Yeah, the other time I was telling them on TikTok. Where I grew up, that's where I want party from. Yeah, yeah, but they won't love. Yes, yes.
But really Kebayada, money alone because I'm really Kebayada, you don't grow in my present. Me, I do a lot of my time or half of my time or your growth
inside
behind birds, you know what I mean? So which I'm not proud of, you know what I mean? I'm not sorry too, you know, because it makes me who I am today, and you know what I mean, my presence is determining my future, so thumbs up to me, I'm doing great. 6 years outside, man. I mean, hitting it big, because it's Africa, man. 6 years outside without no salary. You ain't a thief or a fucking anything. Well, you get me?
Yeah, they hear me.
You get me, I'm clear, it's good.
It's clear.
Okay, my nigga friend, my big nigga, kiddo them, man.
You need a gun.
You need a gun,
you need a gun in your hand, brother.
Big nigga. It's nice to celebrate yourself, to be happy and appreciate yourself.
Right.
Yeah, if you're waiting for people to celebrate you, bro, come on, man.
Right.
It's all gonna be, you know what I mean, benefit and interest celebrating and celebration of them, you get me? But for you, you feel yourself, you know yourself, celebrate yourself. Nobody is better than you.
Nobody, man.
Skinny. I'm a dog, I'm a big nigga.
Yeah.
Big Musa. So what's the deal? What's the deal?
The deal is, so tell me, what do you think about the current situation of Gambia?
Specific?
Like the arts and entertainment. Regarding whatsoever is happening.
The arts and entertainment, okay. I'm the only guy I'm one of the few or the, you know what I mean? If I say I'm the only one doing arts here, I might be wrong, you know what I mean? Because I myself know some people doing arts, you know what I mean, which they are no musicians. So Sona Javada is an artist.
Yeah, Sona, yeah. No respect to Sona, yeah.
She entertains and educates and, you know what I mean, build.
Travels the world too.
You know what I mean, and build people and, you know what I mean, protect the undefiled brain, you get me, save lives by, you know what I mean, giving them career hopes in their futures, you know what I mean, by, you know what I mean, identifying to them they're somebody or they're artist. So, you get me, I'm few of the artists, you know what I mean. So the arts and culture in Gambia, I and my fellow artists, legit ones are trying to push it hard out there, you know what I mean, to give it a proper name. Anyway, this is one pack on Skinny, Twitch with Skinny platform. Twitch with Skinny. You get me? If you ain't subscribe, you get me? Go subscribe,
follow,
man. Follow, man. Let the numbers grow, man.
So right now, everything like right now, Gambia is like the trend right now is the one Gambia thing that is happening. And no video I think I've
Which one Gambia?
The one Gambia was something built something like that.
One Gambia unity in Demang fellow, because though we are Gambians and we are prominent ones for that matter.
Right.
If at all, it's gonna be like face off.
Face of Gambia.
Face of Gambia, and you know, I mean, presenting Gambian top brass. You get me? I'm one of the faces. So if I don't see myself there, I'm not part of the unity, and we are not united then.
So you are not part of the unity.
What unity? What unity am I informed of? Till I'll be part or be taken apart there. I'm not informed of no unity.
That's a POV. That's a point of view, though. Okay.
Can I come with it? I'm he's not here for nobody.
Yeah, that's a very
sorry for, I'm not even sorry, but it is what it is. I'm not informed about no unity or unification in whatsoever unity you might be asking. When I'm
best of the best going. I don't know if you want to really talk about it.
Yeah, I want to talk about everything. If I accept you,
best of the best.
Capitalize on that chance, because it's not going to happen again. Maybe.
You won't go to the platform?
No, I don't know. You don't know. Maybe I'm going, maybe you don't know. Because me, I'm not sitting here. I'm on time. I'm on a ticking bomb.
So you have a chance to leave Gambia?
Anywhere we not leave Gambia. I'm on a course. If I'm done here anytime, I'm done. Yes, kid. I'm going to take a half no, I'm not here for that. I'm here to drop and to deliver. I'm sorry, I'm gonna. I'm a traveler, time traveler.
But the fact that you want the best of the best, like, I could not understand that.
Mandaraje, because of the disrespect, all of Mondimba Sate Farakan Fako, the honey furel didn't all the minute the Konokon. He can do foolish money. 20,000 by force.
So you don't get your 20,000 for you 20,000.
No, ne charge advance 10 and telling me we will give you your balance after.
Which is another 10,000.
Yeah, well, after the show, yeah, I understand. But then after the show, yeah, 10,000.
Yeah, do it.
That's the contract. Why Tajola? Because in terms of Yemboje, it only Mboje because Nkoi Command Tarabia Kadami. So either you own people and they are carrying I don't perform.
So you're 10,000, 20,000 you didn't perform?
Yeah, because that's the contract. It only a contract will terminate. I just it only put a lose at 10,000.
Oh yes.
Yes. They break the contract, not me. The bar for that.
So you knew what you were doing.
You think I don't know? Do you believe to find me how you find me?
No.
Do you expect to even find me how you found me? Nah. Skinny. Certified gangster.
Nah, to be honest, I will keep it about, right? I don't know whatsoever was happening regarding the money and all that. But I don't know.
And thank God people see Gambians, clean Gambians, stand in solidarity with me, give me my dues and flowers, which I'm very satisfied, but best of the best. You think that platform, my brother?
So,
it depends on my
your value,
my current value and status in the scene I'm doing.
But is it coming for in the banana like you feel disrespected or what?
No, I don't give a fuck about the money.
You fly off and complain or something.
All I think everything fucked up there. Flying it's just where you put my face, my image, not your change. All that best of the best boys from Pajawara to Sticky B, they all know I deal with them. They know whether I give a fuck about money or not. I do give a fuck about money, but in the right way. But with them, ask them whether they are the greedy ones, not me.
So you don't face them
upcoming or cornered me like a bastard. You think I am one? This is the reason I'm telling everybody to value yourself. If you don't value yourself, nobody will value you.
Facts.
Trust me, don't believe they're telling you can't make it. If I can't, why would I be relevant till today? I'm the boss. You watching, hating it or love it, God has bestowed me and my trust me as the gatekeeper.
Do you
know Hamdan? This was Thor.
Thor.
The movie Thor.
Yeah,
you know Hamdan?
Yeah, I know Thor. Yeah, Thor.
You know Hamdan, the black guy with the
hammer,
with the big sword.
The sword. Oh.
If you wanna pass.
Enggak portal
Who opens the portal?
Yes.
These are all prophesied for this generation, but people can't understand. For their stupid and disabled mentalities and understanding to be, compact to their understanding. This is the reason Hamdan used. For you understand why I mean the gatekeeper.
So everybody has to pass through you,
yeah,
including me,
including you.
In the form of a receipt.
I beautiful. No, you clean long time. One of the building attack the apology. Satella for the Balam Honeywo, Nafico. Not under I the gatekeeper. I Nabunda ele soke down that the other. I father tepana after I soke the camera. I father tep fireball.
Yeah, the fact that I apologize like
Iman for the
no lie. Don't be also there.
So right then so then that night you will be safe.
So in Mali.
You be correct I mean, just remember, this is the first time twitching with skinny.
And the fact that I started tweet like 7 days ago, right? My first official stream, and then the followers will skyrocket to sort point of time because in the stream are like 9 hours a day.
Ah, nigga, boy, 9 hours, man.
Yeah, I was streaming 9 hours.
Nigga, you stream your whole life.
Regular streamer, like, what does stream 24 hours?
They get enough, man.
But you're not going to tweet them.
Yeah,
it's going to be a very good platform.
I'm going
to put you through. You just something on iPhone. I'm telling you, know the reason why I'm telling you that? Yeah, authenticity that might be brought. And that is in you. Neither that J by force. And so I'm not from what I think. I'm not just telling you like regular.
No, don't boy.
Like, yeah. Then I started like a couple of days ago, and 2 hours here, like 5, 6, 7 hours. I can't do it.
I'm not phone good on you, boy. Phone good on you. I'm telling you, I'm only book around. We are 4 like. Call it, ni more like a television can go. But I don't know in your phone. Where from Mulan? Ninkana, honey. So, I know what to say again.
So, okay, Gambia currently, yeah?
Skinny, ask any question, boy.
I'll ask you, don't worry, bro.
Don't just ask me how I do sex. Don't
go there.
Don't come, Iman drive to the dami. How I do sex, how I can disrespect, personal attack. It's only that you don't need. But ask anything that is an interest or a doubt of a public.
What's your current relation with Esther?
It's cool. Yeah.
One day, I don't know why you wrote one Gambia song in Ghana.
One Gambia song, you my boy. Name one Gambia.
No, someone in Thailand one Gambia. I'm going to explain it. One Gambia song. Because behind the scenes of Finland and Tangaria, but immediately.
There is a song whereby every Gambian artist in the creator. But Jangafonia, Jumalbo, Hanimara Nyaonya, Jumalebo, according to
someone
okay.
Tiberi, A2, Jizu, ST, Tanga Chama, Big Banga. How old is he? How old? I think it's 6, right? 6, yeah, 6. Yeah, all of it, something like that.
What Manga Gambia? What the Manga Gambia? So that's the
but now every government at this video.
No, but put the right ones. Look, I'm the face of Gambia music right now. Let it love it. So there is not one Gambia and there is no unity.
So the one party, you know, is
no Gambia, no unity. You can't find one Gambia, one unity. Where? No Kalamuda. Even Jamal Nico Gambian artists. 1, 2, 3, before 5. We been commanded by force. And guess what? I'm making waves. I'm putting, educative, benefiting content my crowd and public population and community need to see. I'm presenting daily. You get me? I'm the content. You might understand, bro. Even when I call Gambia in the name of Gambian music, game one DJ go Gambia. Come on, my nigga. When there is no hypocrisy, who initiated that thing?
W Park.
Who initiated that thing? Who is the initiator of that?
I don't even know. They are just.
Yeah, so every time I'm a blogger. They
no, manga blogger.
Okay, whatsoever.
I'm a streamer.
Okay, I'm a streamer. I try along me a project going. I think the project is initiated by Turo Dabo, you know.
Me and Destiny attack.
Yes, pardon.
Attack for one now.
Yeah. Kodoba, Turo Dabo.
You opening us.
Millionaire, no can the bar, but the attempt to long. I'm a mobile long. So Elijah Muhammad will love Nafi in game over. Because they mean attacking ST by Diana to know that what a bungle. Okay, I was there. I was outside. But the other man, why Mandu? Elijah Muhammad, that's the day I went to Tonya Keso, Nino, black and white. Man of fire, understanding. Elijah Muhammad, the other man of funny. Very, big Gulo fell. The other man of funny. Akonye ko nkera kuma fotoro da boyele no barin ka tatere ya na taji ayanda keje dara fara fana ta ya to nya keso aka yende blackmail ni wala ndada fon kana fuda wala kon akonye ko no ebe sira motoro ko no ina mean because na kola akonye ko ama fanya turo fo akonye ko na ST kola akonye ko abe ma fon wala. You know what I mean? I be jail, you know. You know what I mean? Not a fobunda, don't go by Alamon. They are on a million. Okay, Baba. You know what I mean?
So, on the contrary, you wonder.
But see him Botokon, Allah, you Wanyari, Muhammad Wanyari. So now I be doing that because I will ST international name. I be doing that for now, okay, for a bandar. I've been for say Campurna, don't kind of. Nde alonya de ko STB jele nde alonya de ko attack bi jele.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Ala number vera atunda findi da gonyo ko padungo abe kono to le no so nata to nya keso ni nata ina men aben kolle sa taraje nya
no ba fa inde so ba
no fitaron de mi na fitaron not black and white.
So I want to
my last appearance to you. Come on, I call Alita. After some also do not call him, go boy. If they can move on, make you move tip criminal move. You know what I mean? I'm going to go. But I not call but I'm manica. You know what I mean? But I don't number fella call. I remember for them, but you think me? I get everything on this motherfuckers. Mukalafika diamu boy. You think I talk like that? I base it on facts and having evidence. Right time. You can move for you. Never to roll a number. Human long. This animal long. This is he's not picking. This is 8 August. I check the post of that.
Akira August.
Right? Yeah. All post GB and GB with this.
Right.
Check the post. You think I lie? I don't lie.
No, you don't lie.
Nina number you call out in Quedaja.
I'm
nice now Monday number call. I'm internet over. I go there go to Lokoya call number fan. Oyata not on Yakaso Kai. And I mean that to ya. And I mean I'm not the Hasula Purkadu. Now I said elephant. I ain't see around to Ofanaya. Yeah, come can get excuse direct. Ni fenkele fomo bija. Ala modo le buga conversation start no without lying about people. You understand? And the book of more this. But before I talk, you get me on the neck, huh? So nigga to that. Me not drug issue for long con. Company say no to drug campaign in that. Yeah, we got HP Nova. to ne la club o Senegambia sukuta sunkutu ndingol nimbiri kama ndoke bebe tinyanka woldo ndoke sate tinyanka you know it
ndamo ka findi
sunkutu ninjelle ka pilo mimbiri kama ibe kana novan jumane ka wafi ya HPOs anin I'm ML on Thursday metamakan another go femko on the Magic Bar from the station police guys 5 meters from the police to the station. No do the self-claim no do makata to mo ML leta in so. Pakita be jumal. Ngai ko mo ikon dala ka droko wa. Ngai ko ay itelo jumal ko nyentelo ML. Ngai you think I'm stupid? A gangster like me 5 meters police will be loading. You think I will act evil? Ngai ko ndoke yetele sacrifice. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna set a drastic Barcelona and on drug squad. This is an open gate for you. We have a we have a volunteer who voluntarily said he is the said ML who is selling drugs in Nova. Till I've been attacked and the case is at the police. The guy has been charged with assault and been detained, been granted bail and prosecuted, handed over to prosecution. And tomorrow we are going to the court. The drug squad, there is a case for you to investigate in when there is justice.
When there is justice.
You understand? So, being open the attack, Alaji Mohammed Leni Obe Siri. According to the same Alaji Mohammed, Akako Ego Nina Mola. But why am I always at a police station? A lot of by mouth. You think that guy is my guy? Afabi Gamgo, Saibo, Gamgo, Gamgo company. Ko wole na sponsor. Nasa bika alo na ni wo ya so. Ya mina tata wo ya ka fo ko puru wo ende dan. Puru na cool. Look at that hypocrisy. Ni man songo ni man wala dani rota. Mun nda bida wo ya ni wo man kunduba. Ha? Atata wo ya dani role. You understand? I enter kumo photo. You understand? But Saibo, Wallah Azim, Mbebala with your good energy you have for Gambia and Gambian youths. But this is personal. Billahi wallahi ta'ala ajartanya la min Muhammad Lavamin Mbawala Kele I will stay away. But I'm gonna work on this. Nindoke Angel Magic. Imagine with my career, my reputation, everything. Ondoke Mandalong. Akabe Tony no Laonya. For Tony and Nova. Then I can. But y'all on the motor would love to look it. But I was very happy. It's just why am I retaliate and okay a gangster like me? You think I go to my door for nothing?
You had a strategy.
Huh?
You had a plan.
Funka Diala. My plan is to set a sample to every Gambian. In Marsorong, Alam Ajibe. Nimman wondo ke sorong ay mamin to tonya dendabu aning alandin tonya lalo. You think I'm joking with this?
I know you are not. So you mentioned about drugs, right?
Yeah.
What do you think is like should be the way forward to eradicate?
Eradicate all of ninja kan. You understand? Let coming agendas natural. I think drug victim will use for your nonsense pickpocket. It and a man cigar for once always stop.
So
I stop nami, all of them dead my types and kind to be equipped and get inside the drug wall and the hood. Right. We know how to tackle it, we know how to challenge it, we know the ins and the outs. Right. But it's not a baby war too, man. Boy, we mean hardened drugs. We cannot say all drugs. We don't know drug all long, crack all drug junker, don't know all long, don't let tile along Gambia.
Facts, yeah.
You understand? Any rosso boy. But saying crack all in crystal for that, any chepe aja long like crystal or saba boy. You look at mine. Crack over sabala sate gonogosika. So you one Gambia, fuck it. There's no oneness here. It's just know who you know and forget. But it's all instigated. Throw down. Mohammed Leila one Gambia failed it. Alaji Mohammed Dabo. Leila one Gambia failed it. Ni mantanyada jo artist or there is no Gambia.
Because it's not Gambia.
Man on fire on a zan and game for you. Man be the kama dinding was the there is no Gambia.
Where's the
You get me? ST.
Ah.
Any ST la umbrella for it. Huh?
Ah.
Huh? What for TJ? There is no Gambia. You get me?
So, okay, it's been coordinated by somebody.
You get me? I don't no, this is not ST's project. You throw that one a project called the Puruka Gambian Youths can unite as one.
But you know, I'm not gonna do it.
You know what I mean? No, I'm like Bijay.
I'm like someone.
Bijay.
Ah, okay.
You know what I mean? Because I didn't throw that way, I didn't STDND.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? According to Muhammad, I can't tell you all coordinate. And I tell you, I'm through that bola. I tell you that artificial point I. I tell you ST point I. I tell you the next man and the next man point A.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So
if at all, Tonyano voted boy, why have been not available for that? You think I'm stupid? A man nam fe num puru la je. I ain't sira mo de puru da boy aso kudola. Ani puru kenso to ala Tonya kenso. But that time there I need that a platform. Oh, platform. Ya je platform o mim ketu wuliya. You know what I mean? Yeah. There are certain.
But wait, more video. What do you have against that platform?
Which platform?
That.
Which Tonya kenso? Huh? Yeah, TNT la DJ. I'm seeing a billboard which is not Tonya Keso, and I'm saying I'm there on behalf of Tonya Keso. I'm seeing Fatu Network there. So obviously it's not a Tonya Keso platform, is a scam. And I think Gambians have to stop watching scamming platforms. Tonya Keso is not the truth. Because it's not no more killer Tonya Keso, he come Afrisel BJ, whatever Fatu Network BJ. You call that platform Tonya Keso? No, that's my last time in Tonya Keso and it's never gonna happen again. In the Tala J Kote. Under that brand.
Under the brand,
Under that brand, scamming brand, I'm advertising for them now. And if Ibuke Joe, Tonya Keso Buke Joe, and I give the highest number at Tonya Keso.
Yeah, I reacted to.
You might understand, right now, they are dead. You know, more faith. You might not find money from my agenda. In my Sultan, because I interviewed at my first Tonya Keso at before this one, before Obafa International Slogan time. Before that, I have another Tonya Keso with Alaji Mohammed at CV Hotel.
Okay.
You get me? But before that, Link and get I don't if I'm one this Sultan on Friday, Sunday Ning Mohammed Tonya Keso. But Sultan and Ning a personal grievance with that. You know what I mean? World following broadcast. He can jealous. He can interview Maboji. And they say so Sultan Vanan. Ya kenna momo ya kenna ibela kenna hey kana kuda go behind this boy behind you learning cost passing cost on the Smith cost you have little faith in it. Do you believe I will have something against Sultan?
No.
Thank you very much. Sultan Fanang I work.
Yeah.
You get me? When there is no personal interest, when I can national interest, why would you step or seal in the interview? Because of Alaji Mohammed Tonya Keso. Na interview about the why. So for now, if I'm on the Mantala J correct. But I'm not fending Sultan.
So I need all
enjoy them bizarre. But coming voluntary community service, nah. Yeah, something for something now. I'm the content.
You are the content. I'm the only Gambian artist being trained without putting out a song.
When be a post baby, you know what? I'm doing arts, I'm not doing music only. These people are musicians, they are always quiet. Only when they have albums to scam Gambians, they will come out.
Yeah, you mentioned that. Like, what do you mean about that?
Right now, no. In top 5 or top fake top
Say the top 5.
Okay, say
In the top 5 then.
I'm going to name our way by Yam.
Smart way.
From STR so. Yam way moon troller. I'm not going to combat this kind. These are hard facts.
Mommy make a solve for them.
Huh?
Gambia now.
Okay. Right now, Yam way I will drop.
I want friend.
Thank you. When you throw that ball in project.
Yeah, after.
Okay, we go to that alleged fake Batiman after the event.
Yeah.
Whatever. I don't call their names.
But no more of
No, I'm Allah next self-claim artist.
Ah.
After ST, after the album,
No more.
thank you very much. You know why I get ST over?
No, but what?
No, you know why? Huh?
Usually album was deluxe drop.
From that album, me and my money love it.
Couldn't go from go drop.
My brother, the relevant man. You don't hear shit. So allow for STA. I'm giving you no. Mbe whole suki. Bondike. I want you to see.
No, I'm seeing, but now like
you can't comprehend. You might understand because people can comprehend, but at the end you seeing. You don't understand. You see loopholes and a lot of how to call it defaults.
So what do you say to this?
You get me?
Gambia artists every year album and do a concert.
Come on, go to the Gambian or the Bulu. For they are artists or they are musicians or they are scam or they are opportunists. Been coinciding.
So
This industry is a scam. Is a joke. That's the most of Gambia is a joke. Gambia is a joke.
So you are the only true artist in Gambia.
I'm one of the artists, not musicians. And artists make noise, relevant noise, on stage, off stage, musically, literally, physically, mentally, independently, psychologically, okay, emotionally, boy.
Facts though. That stuff, not care.
You're doing good.
You're clipping
You're doing good.
Yeah. They're clipping it.
What is clip?
So right now, you come let me show you. They're clipped already.
Come vengo on the screen record and Uli Akeso. They really post them. We controversial sites. Make sure when you are clipping, you're clipping the beneficiary parts too and the educative parts too. Not only where you will find hypocrites and hypocritical controversy. You get me? Because me, I'm not here for fear or favor. I'm not looking for praise or promotion here. You get me? I'm not looking for whatever. I'm doing my youth.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? In the name of truth. You know what I mean? And transparency. You know what I mean?
So let's talk about your music.
My music is booming. It's the best right now.
There is this song that I reacted to from
Which one?
That one. Hold up.
Alkanatina now. That's the remix of the Drift. Yes. Ke muta, ke mount, bim, bam, kono, ke mboka, inya,
Kono, fuck.
ke mas, na fi, aye, bu, ida,
Kono,
ya, kunu, ikono, kono, alkanatina nalbuo fe, alkanatina nalbuo te. Imolo. You think I talk about me, my music have life, it connects to the current situation. You think you know their hate, their hate blindfold most of the good listeners.
You ask about the collab with ST.
Yeah, that's a massive one.
Abina.
Which collab? The one we did or not?
No, the
ask your guys to be very specific and be more clear today.
Like you yourself.
Whether
one part featuring ST.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Really?
I'm not looking for it, but I'm not looking for it. I'm not saying no to it.
Oh yes. I'm
neutral.
On the fence, yeah.
I'm not looking for it. I'm not saying no to it.
Right.
For now.
So how did the last one came about?
So I might look for it later and I might say no to
But
it.
name follow on my reaction, right?
What?
I said it. I told them, Boa Jaburo, right?
Yeah.
You have one of the best bars.
Okay.
And
thanks.
me get up. In the of one of people were saying, what part of the interview? Real shit,
I never write my songs.
You never write?
I
You
never-
just go and voice.
I never write my songs. You know what? You know why I never write my songs? I'm not a musician, bro. Me, I'm an artist.
So you can
I collaborate on my emotion, feeling, my current situation, my pain. Bro, your pain when it's genuine, the country is bleeding.
Right.
My situation, you get me?
Mm.
You know what I mean? At that particular time, at the particular place, I'm presiding in.
Mm.
Or a certain place I'm presiding in.
Mm.
So I'm not doing people, I'm doing me. You know what I mean? Trying to express how I feel depressed, you know what I mean? And out there, you get me?
Mm.
To people, trying to, you know what I mean? Put my pain
Into music.
on the table for the whole world to compartmentalize my pain and deal with it as an issue answering my question. One head cannot answer my question. So my music have life.
It has life.
Yeah, man. Why? Take a time. Force yourself. Listen to my songs. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are addicted straight to one part. You will say, hey, these people, they just, you know what I mean, blindfolding
You want to
us.
show one bag and ST in a studio.
Yeah. We were in a
You
studio.
got ST and Jizzle?
What?
You got, but I once saw one part and Jizzle in a studio.
Nah.
So do you want to have a song in Jizzle?
I don't want to have it's not I want to, you know.
So what is your dream collabo?
My dream collabo is me doing great. Bro, I'm used to myself before collabo. I'm not a collabo artist. Me, I'm a self-made.
So
Can't you understand? I'm a gatekeeper, nigga. I come alone.
stand out.
My relevancy is not even by, you know what I mean, favorism support from Gambians. No.
Oh.
Genuinity landed on the Gambia by force.
By what?
It's not even, bro, you know what is it? Music,
Pure.
art, pure, original.
Right.
Makes me a tapanal in this country. Hate it or love it. That's God's will, man. I don't brag on it, but I'm celebrating and embracing it.
So it is
From zero to hero, my nigga.
So Gambia more sort of come Gambia motivate la come no la
Come, I'm dying for collabo.
Come never damn but come in la for ni na songs is good.
Imagine me right now, imagine. Come in Mimbe, came in mind, come with the stock wing. Oh, I wish I have a song with Skinny. No, for upcomings, I want to have a song with every upcomings.
Oh.
But this top 5, nah.
So upcoming like top 5 in upcoming.
Upcoming are all my top 5s.
How do you go? 5 1 to 5 don't matter.
Yeah, I'm here to protect them, not to degrade them. I'm here, I'm a gatekeeper boy. There is no favoritism.
So you don't have artist blonde, blonde.
No, come minion de que blonde le be blonde. Come musical like Ruano be Carafal intel
Bunala. So ni bi jema la mi atambe anatambe.
Meaning you genuine. This 2025,
Ah.
clean music and clean musicians,
Right.
clean arts, clean culture. Why make a gatekeeper this really? You know, since I'm entrusted with this position, do you think I have a one night sleep with it? I never sleep. You know how many attacks you get? In your man. Think I'm just a gatekeeper like that.
You go, but one part once said him and Jizzle are cooking something.
Yeah, that time we were cooking, we wanna cook,
Yeah.
but it never happened. So what's the problem? When it doesn't happen,
So what led to it? It don't have by for Jizzle.
I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be.
Oh.
So what next?
These people are really tapped in.
Huh?
You know, they are really tapped in.
I don't know, man.
That's crazy.
Mm.
That's crazy.
Come on, I'm doing man. How many songs do I have without a collabo? In fact, I don't need collabo. The time I need collabo, I don't have it. So now I will not be at the peak of my.
So you collabo ni mo do that.
The collabo, that would be the most whack line.
No, that
Huh?
But then it's cool though. They don't collab with the Gambia. Why not?
The most whack line
Uh,
on my ST album, ST title album. I flossed that. I flossed that. How to call it?
Collab.
That project.
so you get a song to the Mabla.
Now floss. No, why not? T-Styles is my producer that time. It's not good. It's not by heart even.
So what's the map?
But Mas Lem for say, o time o puruni moe collab. So I cannot say no to Mas.
187. So
187. That guy got my back like Walter, man. So I will never say no for Mas.
So you song floss.
I floss it. Why would I need it? I'm telling Bata world, the more will need okay. Trust me, okay. Listen to my music and listen to those.
And I'm about to have a song with
Come on, man.
I'm about to have a song with this guy. Sorry, I'm about to stream with that. That is my guy.
That's not my business. What's up? Same guy. I don't know this. My brother, you don't know if I don't know these niggas.
You don't know anybody.
I don't know them, bro. I don't know them. I'm from the pen.
Right.
I found these niggas doing what they're doing.
Somebody
I'm back to my shell back. I'm back to my shell.
Yeah.
I broke out of my shell. I know that it's hot out there. I'm back into myself.
Back again.
Again, man, I don't know no more the fucker, man.
Lock in with yourself. Like.
Wallahi, and I'm the best with myself than being with, you know what I mean, them out there. I'm a less with them. I'm the best with myself. I got my wife, got my house. You see how comfortable I am?
I'm even more comfortable. Right?
I'm good.
Life is good.
Even in my house, I put 2 chairs, meaning I'm not even expecting guests. I don't want one. I don't need one. My what? Myself.
So wait, what do you think about Fula Gangsta's music?
He's doing his music. He's doing his generation music.
How about the voice?
He is doing his young-minded music.
Oh, young-minded.
So I always say,
Elaborate on that. Elaborate on that.
I believe, you know what I mean, as he is growing, he will understand his craft more and be greater than it than now.
Yeah, that's what I'm
But
saying.
I got no condemnation towards him and with his music.
But Ide, you spoke about girls being on drugs and all that.
Yes.
You understand? And you condemn really that. And I love Fula. Fula knows like I like him, I fuck with him and stuff. But I'll explicit, that's what I don't really like.
That's you, man.
Yes,
you,
that's what I'm saying.
Your personal disliking of his music.
No, I'm not saying
or about his explicit music,
yes.
according to you,
Yes.
does not qualify me to follow up on that or that
No,
same
I'm
thing.
not telling you to
No,
follow
that's
me.
your no, you're not. But that's personal. Or your disliking towards his music, that's personal.
No way.
But with me, even I don't like it.
So do you listen to it?
I listen to some of his music.
The explicit ones?
I listen to every Fula Gangsta song if I come across it. But me, I don't listen, I don't get up and say, I'm going to listen to Kari directly today. No, I listen to my music, and you don't play no other music in my house than my music and whom I want to listen.
So is there any government artist who will let a guy play like this? Or I mean, I just want to
Yeah, sometimes go with the regular STP. There.
You know, video like I'm not there. Criminal.
No, I just someone you put to the level. You mean sometimes you know I mean go with the STP. Doesn't mean matter what song or what you know what I mean. You know, Skinny Boy. I beef.
But I don't know, bro. Park is just different.
Let me light candle for my oracles. I think it's about to get evening. Let me go.
More oracles. Oh God, gang. Park said he got oracles, bro. This guy be talking about this oracles every day. Y'all niggas gonna go ask things, bro. Y'all niggas crazy, bro. Nigga, EBJ got one day, bro.
Mula ka po chat to winit pa. O favor, o one year zero mo. Kaya naman.
Kanya.
Ala po winit pa.
So all goes on your own. All goes on your own.
Yeah, my house. No one. You know, Gino. You can't understand the Gino table.
No, you know him, bro. Yeah.
You know.
That money there. But you know him.
Gino table.
You know him,
boy. Okay.
But how would you do that? You know that,
Ah, okay. I don't know.
You can let it. Don't get TikTok down.
Anyway, shout out to you all. If you are in Gambia or you coming to Gambia, you want to have good food, you know what I mean? It's Terral restaurant at village. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is because of me. I'm here. That's my restaurant and Minas Nest, Pamadik Mbai.
Sir,
And they can sponsor Skinny too, Pamalik and Pamalik Mbai, please. If you can sponsor Skinny, you know what I mean, let them come to your place, you know what I mean, for streaming and all that. And Terrell too, the CEO, ndo for the mobile alone right now. But
restaurant,
Terrell Village.
Oh,
Terrell
village,
yeah.
I've seen it.
Nice place, clean place. I would like that. All staffs are
So, but you know, in brand endorsement, who you get the money they come here?
You want to even Mundoni.
You can remember for them.
You want to
You can go for the Queen sponsor them.
Right, yeah.
Do you know that?
Honey.
So, moment, you can you for the new brand for the you can go for them. You
Skinny. No, one thing for you, kind of sonny freak. Come on, coming, then you learn your day, you know what I mean? Or you can just sponsor your day. Oh, yeah, in my ways, you don't feel bad about it, but you wonder how.
Yeah.
You get me, yeah? Or wondering like what be weak. If you wonder too much, you're gonna forget yourself.
Nah, like I'm not obsessed with it.
No, you're not obsessed, but with the career you earn, you need a sponsor, bro.
Yeah.
You really definitely need it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But
then,
don't put your head on it. The right ones will come.
Nah, I don't really think about it because more like horror people reach out to me and say like, yo, we wanna do this, we wanna do this, we wanna do this, we wanna
do with the right guys.
Yeah.
Right now, if you attention to the Ghanaian, you will see them in pack.
Yes,
so they will come to think they will use you. But when they detect they can't use you, you'll be starting. So take your time, grow independently for yourself, grow your platform, be might with yourself and independently and alone. Who come, let them take your terms. If you can't go by your terms, let the person fuck off.
Yeah, like
make sure you owe nobody an explanation, bro. Be your own boss, that's what I am. I'm a big fly. My last album, Kasongo, Bonoweo.
What's it?
Bonoweo, okay. Me and some people actually.
So, but you have to play the EB Ghana.
Yeah, it's coming.
How many songs?
I put like maybe 7. It's a while now from got 10 songs.
Yes, no.
Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah, you have one point.
Come on. Come on.
You order this killing for the player.
Not Franco.
Speaker.
Eh?
Sunday.
No, if you have a chat, can you have a chat?
Out.
No, not my chat.
Out.
Just don't worry.
Yeah, it's fine. Play.
Don't worry. Another phone can get take another one. New phone for up that take. My house is all music.
So Bluetooth speakers are what?
Tell me Bluetooth.
Say I play all the way.
$2,000.
$2,000.
Yes.
JBL.
How much are they?
It's $2,000.
Why give me you are rich?
You are rich. You don't care what Seiko and so you.
Yes.
Seiko, okay. The best tailor in Sukuta. Seiko Sani. Seiko Sani.
Damn.
Where you want?
One pack on the release level.
You want to connect?
Nah, play that song. That's the even play. I told him, you know that song. Hey, you're going to kill by.
What song? Don't clip nothing and send nothing. This is uncut.
So you want me to
release.
If I play like 30 seconds.
No. If AJ want to, I say we have no 500.
No, I will live stream now than last time.
No. For some of us, I want to know I have 5. Okay, nothing is for free.
There was some
See this pride and complex. Wole Gambian you Jamafa.
Yeah. You open your neck the other time. It's an audio display like 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
I got big arm with my ears today. That was fine.
Stream okay. Ask your questions, your doubts. Get me no love me. One time with the bring at the airport or the first class.
Listen. Go in the flavor, I don't know.
Come on, this long and gone. Listen to music.
Huh?
I think I brag.
You video there. It's not good.
I think I brag. I don't brag.
You know.
Give the vibe.
Boy, it's so bad, bro.
Let's go. Shout out to J Live, eh? Shout out to J Live music.
J did his thing, though. Yes, down.
You can listen to this one full. This one, Mania Sukang is coming. Don't start bad, I don't know, you know. But they are all on release.
Bro, I swear to God, this is your best one.
I think you said the other one.
No, I said this one.
Be joking. You hear the other one?
Okay, well, no, I said, but part this one?
Imam.
Nah, but for
they are all sick.
Life
These are my own pain. These are my own pain.
Man,
you think I will go and write this lyrics? Imam Jaburo phone. They said, "ST, give me that lyrics."
Oh, no comment section of people.
Yes. Gua Jaburo. Mobi Gafuego, ST le 07, ST le 07. I was invited in a song. That's all. But that's my music. Why those of you writing that will have that silly mind and thought and stupid dick-headed mentality in your head?
You slapped that song.
That's not even.
You slapped that.
Come on, man. That's easy,
that was
man.
like 8 bars, I think.
4, man. I was just giving 4 to that song, man.
Nah, that was cold.
But the 4, I make sure it carries weight, man. Every 4 carries 8.
Yeah, 4. That was cold.
Let's go. That's the tip of the iceberg. Nothing has happened yet.
No,
It's 25. It's my time, look.
But this song, yeah, I promise you, it's gonna go.
It's big. Me, I'm big already. I don't brag.
I don't big.
You might understand. Anything I do from would be big, skinny. It's
But
big.
the song,
I'm big. The song is big. From a big heart, from a big mouth, from a big brain, from a big pain, from a big emotional, depressed person, from big everything, boy, nigga. Even you're gonna be big. Hence you sit with me today. Take your energy when you go home.
Amen.
Okay, you are blessed with the energy, you understand. I'm the gatekeeper. If you are dirty, spiritually, you are not pure, you don't enter this house.
Don't lie there. So you're not a boy then?
Okay, the man understand. This is God's will, my nigga.
I don't know any boy then. I mean, you go boy,
Guarum fen jawote fen kurumo fen tilimbalu. Allah wada fananga na also birikam. That guy is Pima Kalo birikam andoke. Yes, afana yana kodo sunyale 8,000 na waleje. Then na mo na kodo ko ito na kodo kam. 8,000 na deal, you know. So Pima ka birikama
ina un contrato.
Brikama Latina for boy. I hold them like kids, boy. I give them good percentage, boy. I wanna give life to them, boy. Okay, support ke Marco, boy. But after he is summoned to the oracles and then I make the music for and in promotion. After I saw I saw Jelle like a mim proper.
I saw you.
When I had
you could know.
Tell me long, but check it. I be so killer, but it's not gonna be. I bet boy.
No,
You don't understand. Mayu, muka mutonyi rike. Look, ente puka nyoko deke bank. Mama, very understand. I sacrifice and kill the best pleasure of life in the name of what I'm doing. Muka tonyi roke. Mama, very understand. I make sure every day, and I look after my mother. You think that problem being my problem? You know what I mean? And genuinely, strictly being my target. You think I have time for people? No. So if you have time for me till you step on me, you think you're gonna go scot-free by God and me?
Makes sense.
You will not go, man. Allah says this. You know what I mean? Don't touch if you don't want to be touched.
True.
So tebe wale nyama boy. Tebe sin be mo na ni last like morning alabula no. And when you do better than it, ni basen. Okay, the one go wild nyama bo.
That will go well. That will go well. Nah, go well.
Are you doing good with your streaming?
Yeah, it's good.
Huh?
My mouth is clipping.
Let them clip it. Clip it.
But you clip it. No collaborate.
Monum clip. Collabo.
You don't like I
Clip it again. I don't want to have no collabo with nobody, boy. I'm not looking for it. It's not even my head. In collabo, do I give a fuck? Who would I see? My collabo, Chris Brown, Davido, Biscuit.
News the matter.
Fuck Bonner Boy, boo man.
You don't know what. So they okay, not I don't want to go to Nigeria. Just don't go.
Man, go along.
Hey, the king.
No, that's your king, bro. In there, I'm Shatta SM. Okay, in there, I'm SM movement. We don't grow from homes. We are not come and have lunch boys. We grow from the streets. We make it happen, self-made. Okay, the roads, okay, we are lights in the dark. Don't be fan of Stone Boy and hate somebody unnecessarily. You will just have sin. You get me? Don't be a fan and hate someone for nothing.
For life.
What?
Nation for life.
For life, man. G. For life, man. We all can be a ninja, man.
Nation for life.
SM for life. Shatta.
Shatta manga bully.
No, it's alright.
You think that's not support now, dude?
And he want them more support. He's my brother.
So you listen to his music?
Listen, I live by him.
Nah, that nigga is ass. Sada is ass.
That's you can say so, man, not me. Not me, bro. It's your right to say even he's nobody, he's shit, he's trash, he's whack.
Sada is ass.
Nobody has to even feel bad about you with that of your opinion commenting. You get me?
SM fans, they will get
Nah,
mad. But come violent.
This stone man, I'm skinny around you.
Yeah.
So,
come on, man.
Come on, let me tell you this story, right? Stonewall and like I was able to on this camera like this with God, like I swear to God. Stonewall texted me and said, Skinny, find ways you can promote the one guy. I need the man for you. After me being linking with him, like I started talking to Stonewall in 2018.
Man, it's cool, man. Thumbs up, Stone Boy, for hooking up a young blood. You get me? For me, I'm SM. But doesn't mean nothing. I'm SM, man. That's all. I'm SM, man. With no fear or favor, man. Or with no disrespect.
You are the only SM fan in Gambia.
This is it, because I'm the only real shit here.
Nobody loves Sadawari in Gambia.
You the chap dedicated Sata. That is Sata, my brother. I thought that we are not in Ghana or Nigeria. Let's talk about Gambia.
Ghana, Vim Nation.
Let's talk about Gambia and us. You give them little time, so we.
So okay, if you can analyze, after are you thinking of launching it or?
I'm dropping it at the same place at Birikama.
The same place.
All my life would be Birikama. But Birikama gave me life, they give me career. But they give me the money there. Walter.
Former B.
I live Birikama. And music be Birikama.
Former B.
Everything Birikama. Every main event Birikama. Box bar.
Box bar. Nara last I consulted me. One bag is one of the best performers in Ghana.
Now we grind the Birikama way bang. We bang. If you did boy by force, you go back. Yo, you deserve to have a career. You come, they support you.
Bricks love people.
Think I give a fuck about these people? I'm repping Birikama. I have my compound in Birikama. I come on the there. Manta Europe tour and okay, but more than I'm in the Europe tour.
Europe, you missed.
No, but I'm broken enough. Be I make Lendoki. I make it. Look at I'm in Europe. Nah, Tata Europe told the full father can correct. Where is there at all money?
So that's
through my music, I don't go to Europe. I have my I'm living lavish.
Yeah. No, you living good.
Good. In AC for phone, it's getting it's too cold.
But bro, like Park is living.
Of that shit for me.
The
one is too cool. The motor of the general, but this here you can off it closer.
Yes, sir.
I come on for you. Can they phone from Doki? I try more a bit. Yes, told me getting here. I told him to confess. You don't need that. You have nothing to prove.
So, bro, like in a Europe tour, like how do you think like in a Europe tour?
Na Europe tour, to have live in Nigeria. Skinny. First I'm renting syringe and empty.
Never empty. Huh? Never empty or lie.
Let me shock you again.
Shock me.
And keep it to yourself only.
I wouldn't say anything.
Yeah. Let me shock you.
Only me.
Come on for you there.
Only me.
Come on for you then, Loma. I think we man don't go subo the Roman Mafoti Alaya. Charo be Alaya. Ba subo bije saji subo bije finger. You take a money for you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Everything is up there.
But the other day, I like my left from Goroja. Then I go, I don't want to go and add this on me. I want to send Google.
Yeah. I'm recommended by Google. It's a Gambia Kelajede. One pack, like you can tell it. They are these people. Today, Gambia. Check the date. When?
Oh.
I'm having 3 of this. You think I'm just here to eat? Boy.
Nah.
I don't think he like just shut the fuck up. I don't have one way, boy. Please.
On God, I went the other day.
You think I sit behind camera? I said what I'm not. You can mean the camera on your water series.
Facts.
I don't filter or fake anything. This food is fake.
But every country you want anticipate Kanja for them right now. You don't have country in the like.
I have no choice. Boy, Barako is important. Kafukata Europe, this is destiny. Imam Honey, India, if I have a show, I go.
India?
Be level later.
So you have any fans also in India?
If I'm for anything, even I don't have fans, the day I enter in India, I will have fans and I will play, even they will come.
Oh.
In Rome, you go to Rome, you do as Romans, bro.
Yes. True.
Complexity and pride makes you lose everything.
True. Very true.
I go anywhere.
One paragraph Europe tour is going to be
Crazy. I'm the baddest right now. Europe Bay, any Gambian artist you need right now, we enter need. Both blacks and
somebody from South Africa.
I'm telling you, even South Africa, I come there, I play.
You'll be the best performer.
Okay, you can't be here for it.
Yes, sir.
You come here for it. Look, I'm in a Rustler or in a. I make it, look, and then go, I make it.
You did.
You come here for it, boy. I don't have million, I have million.
Right now, I'm kind of like.
You off. You might understand skinny.
Nah, no.
Let me see if somebody can take.
You didn't.
Kunung go, Kunung B. I don't know X, Y, Z.
So you go, you need a people can.
Can't go to the music. Youth.
Park on Twitch for the first time.
Yeah, for the first time, I don't know what is tweet. He made me know what is tweet and all that. And if you want to blame me for that, that's your business. Because me, when I was going inside, I don't even leave smartphone outside. I leave Siemens, GSM.
Yeah, I won't lie. My park finger put on Twitch. Yeah, you see the number of people.
Right now, you have good numbers?
Yeah, I have good number of followers. No, it's good. I'm on back.
It's good.
Alright, they're watching. They're going to be there.
I'm around. I mean, let her go and hustle. You think me as And shout out to Biggest, yeah? Biggest. Abdurrahman and Biggest, shout out. Try, my man is a new streamer on the Twitching platform.
Yeah.
Please, Biggest, as you used to help me, hook him up, man. He's a young nigga, man. No, Biggest, Abdurrahman, Biggest.
No.
Biggest Senegambia, opposite there. Nathan Miller, Senegambia police are going towards tropics. You know what I mean? On the right, if you go Kapago, you mean with the map.
Oh, yeah, on your right?
On the right.
You be that on your right.
I don't know.
On
the right.
I'm the right side.
Far right. Then you can put Johnson to tropic.
No, live
that. Biggest smoke in the bar.
You got plug.
Push over my biggest. So any artist reading my lips and trying to do a Ghana go there, know that it will not work. If I don't endorse it, you don't work.
I go artist like an man.
No more came over there. I say politics. I think I like Mohammed.
I
imagine, let me be for you. I not been explaining here with facts. Come see in Kudo Canando, can in all for you. But this is a warning. Stop. Stay away from me, bro. I got you up to here now.
Right.
I will vomit if you push harder. Let me show you.
Damn.
Let me show you.
Damn.
This guy paid me to this Mohammed.
Paid you?
You enjoy the boy. Nick, you got it. It's England, huh?
Oh, yeah.
They pay me 40 rand for me to expose this. Let me show you. Let me show you nothing there. Based on facts.
Thanks.
These motherfuckers, these dirty industrial people. I have every motherfucker in my hand.
Park is showing me things.
The monkey tinya flat.
Damn.
Think I'm a destroyer, me.
Park, I park on internet.
You know more than a fight, hey. One long.
I don't know. So how comes like
They are on me, I'm on them. Make your steps noisy.
so you don't look at that like you see everything. You don't go anywhere, bro, and you be seeing everything.
Can number see if I understand.
You got the number phone.
Scatter Jana only. You get this thing out because okay, told 7 years, that's the deal. The Mandalone damn fucked up.
Nah, you tapped in. Now the mama I upload that. From this side.
I don't want to talk.
Nah, don't talk. You know a whole lot of things.
I know a lot.
A lot of things.
A lot.
So like, how do you deal with it? Like, do you go through like mental stuff? Like,
Yeah.
whenever people attack you?
I go through shit, but I have to be able to control it,
And you have it for now. I'm doing too much. I gotta stop.
Right time, man. What stop? I time and trap you up to the right time. Not forget to do that. You need basket. With every man you'll be there coming.
You know,
You'll be like all that.
everything right time.
I don't forget, I'm an ex-con.
Right. Nah, I'll be surprised though. Fuck, you've been doing everything.
And I've been bearing onto shit. Lot of shit, man. Lot of shit, man, bro.
But you believe in mental stress, right? You believe in it, right?
Yeah, it's happening, man. It's just, you need to be strong, man.
Avalanche engagement, I don't
Tanka. Get SoundCloud, let me say. What I'm going to film.
Right. Just take that.
Yo, some people are going to have the screen and send them motherfucking gifts. Something for something.
Right.
My nigga, bro. My streamers, you get me, the twitching streamers, how you doing? I'm glad for you, we're doing it tight big. Maji, man.
Yeah, my uncle, bro.
Maji, man.
Damn.
Being light doesn't need for you to emphasize it.
Right.
You know what I mean? Just, stand
Nah,
with
the
them.
fact that go like within minimum, like I never had this opportunity. Like,
Yeah. And they came when you another event and you might understand. So you have double surprise of why.
Yeah.
And you say, wow, why people are so wicked.
Right.
You know what I mean? Come on, talk with him alone. More can they talk with him, okay, along.
Honestly, man.
They don't know me. They don't know
Because
my moves.
hotel bagaw ya, ni nga mo ko pakta na.
Yeah.
Mero kang kuan lang.
You can lose it, you can my boy.
Bullshit. Hotel mo ka. Bro, nah. Like no paglo no from that time na raja sen. Like,
you know,
damn.
it's alright. Boy, tamu destiny that they brought. I'm from the streets. We don't get excited easily, man. Don't we from the streets? We are used to disappointment, so Kafoka content to be excited easily. No. Our excitement is not cheap there. We are used to backstabbing and disappointment. That's why anything that comes, black and white, we hold it average weight.
So I'm like, I saw youths complaining about stuff that were happening in Mile 2 because it is for the fact that it even know Mile 2. You think like Mile 2.
Learning accidental protest youths. Government Mile 2 along with criminalism. They are just accidental.
Okay, yes, it's already accidental.
Yes. So, but I mean,
so what is your worst experience?
My worst experience is Mile 2. General, thinking there is Mile 2.
No, I mean you've been there, and
being there is my worst experience.
Oh,
anything about Mile 2, bro, is worst.
Right.
So being there is my worst experience.
Yeah, that's great.
We are on Twitching, man, TikTok.
Yeah, we live on Twitch.
We Twitching, we TikToking, we doing everything for Skinny.
Gang. This is my first time meeting like part of it.
Gang, looking novel.
No, you are him though. You are him.
Yeah, we don't filter, we don't fake nothing.
You are him. Park is him, bro.
Look at that one, the boom video. A builder. We lay people, but one apartment or to video shooting the next minute they see. Boy, try to be you, man, as an artist. Stop renting cars when you don't even have bicycle. People see him wearing and producing wild massive videos with wild cars. Next minute you don't even have a boy. That's a shame, man. That's a shame. True identification of a fake. That's those sad.
They are complaining. One of my YouTube videos, I was like, how Gambians artists tend to be claiming Kwebenyami. I think they should.
Well, come on, boy. Hey, Alama Suduro men loki. Ndele fit di you la phone put a real money. These people are all fake.
Really?
Big.
Fake, Ibe?
Big. Before I come, they are all fake. We are changing this. You think I'm a gatekeeper for nothing?
Yeah, gatekeeper for a reason.
Not the expensive I ate you, not a boy. Remember, you are skinny.
Yeah.
Respect your motherfucking name.
The price of yesterday is not that of today.
Today can be a baby forever.
So,
Twitch.
Twitch.
Yeah, Twitch.
It's a W.
We
W.
are worse than the Illuminati and the devil. If you want to bring one, I'm worse than them.
Worse than anybody.
I'm worse than the Freemason. I'm worse than the Illuminati. I'm worse than your devil you're scared of. Yes. Even me, I don't know what I am.
Huh?
I'm beautiful. 6-seater, the hospital I'm looking. Town. No, man, it's time to grab a fist money, you know what I mean? You get me? So we're gonna hang up and say, you know what I mean? To be continued, maybe.
Nah, I appreciate it for me coming though. The fact that this is my
you see what kind of things I show you and the kind of names of this big industrial name I show you and sitting with their bombs.
Yeah.
If I want, I bomb this motherfucker.
Nah, Alvaro back.
I'm too dangerous. I'm fucked up. I'm worse than Illuminati.
Fuck, thank you, man. Let
me check my wife.
Yo, again. That's party, you know. Today, yeah, it's a stream with one pack. Everything goes lit, man. Gang. Beam.
Oh, man. Yo, Skinny, you bad. Yo, big up on the side, brother. To my
Pak mana yang takkan
you're not better than I. To my Twitch community, my YouTube, TikTok, I beg you people are just bring up another live TikTok. So you people have, you people have only one chance. If you don't want you on YouTube is your business.
But yeah, I'll go to Twitch, man.
No. But then we bad and famous. Yeah, man. Again, I'm ending my stream.